Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sudipta Datta. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. So after a long time I am back in this channel. So I'm not getting time to upload videos in this technical channel of mine because I'm a little bit busy with my research work, as well as I'm a little bit busy with my vlogging channel. So as you guys know that I have another YouTube channel that is a vlogging channel in Bengali. So there I upload lots of videos related to travels. So if you want, you can go and check that out. I will give the link of that channel in the description of this video. And in this video I am going to share how you can make this kind of trending images by using Google Gemini. So these are all the trending right now. So keep watching the video till the end, and you can make any images of yours like this within a fraction of a second. So keep watching the video till the end, and if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. So guys, today in this video I will show you how you can make the 3D design model which is trending now by using Gemini app. So first of all, you have to download the Gemini app, Gemini. So this is the Gemini app. So here you can see I have make this kind of design. So as you can see, I have made this kind of design using the Gemini app. So you don't have to do anything. So just follow the video, and you can also prepare this kind of design from your image like this. So first of all, download the Gemini app, open your Gemini app, and here click on the plus icon and then click on the photos, and to prepare the 3D model. So like this, I'm selecting this model and then done. So as you can see, it is getting uploaded, and then you just have to paste the sentence which I will put it in the description of this video, and then you just have to press enter. You just have to press enter, and after some time your image will be ready. So this is the description. Here you have to just write it here in this chat. So your image will be generated after you do this. So as you can see that the image is generated. So this is the image. So from here you just press it and you can save it in your phone's gallery. So that's it. So if you again want to generate another photo, Gemini app, so like this, I'm selecting this photo and then I'm uploading it. You don't have to write the same thing. You just write same here and then press enter. So this image will also be generated like the previous 3D model. So by this way you can generate any kind of images into 3D realistic model. So as you can see, the image is generated, and from here you can download it. So now it is being downloaded and it will be saved in my phone's gallery. So it is now saved in my phone's gallery, and here you can see that this is the image which is now generated. So see, by this way you can generate any kind of images into this kind of 3D trending models. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel to get this kind of latest information regarding technology and science. Bye, take care, see you in the next video.